Well.
Come with me to Veloce Esports headquarters, the home of the competitive racing. Today we're here to talk about my live streaming journey.
5 years ago, 6 years ago, we kind of formed Veloce, and it stemmed off us having loads of actually young aspiring drivers like yourselves that we used to manage. So we had about 12 to 15 young karting drivers wanting to get to Formula 1. We had a full-card agency at that point, and then Jamie used to be who runs Quadrant, used to be a football agent, so we've become the Premiership players and a professional Call of Duty player. And I think really at that point the worlds emerged. So we kind of went from racing into gaming. You and honestly like what you want to do and what you enjoy and what's going to inspire you in gaming, and using all of our activities and knowledges from running the Formula 1 teams that we do in gaming to quadrants, and to try and build something together that we can kind of shape your own brand up really. But it's all about like what you enjoy and what you want to do. Not about us or anybody else in this room. It's about like what do you? The gaming stuff is super. I think it's going to be really important for you as a brand. And I think people are going to love it. Like absolutely love it. And I really want today is us to kind of just like go through some ideas and you tell us like what does gaming look like to you, and if you're going to spend time doing something like what are you going to love and what are you going to enjoy, and just look at everyone here in the building. We're all here to kind of support and help you in whatever way, shape possible. But it starts with simple plan and us chatting about what we may recommend. But I'd love to find out more about what excites you in gaming.
After we talked, Veloce wanted to see me on their sim rig to see what I could do as a driver.
And well, we've got a cover with that. We get look like the Holy Grail of the wheel.
Do that?
I do, but I'm not playing against you. So I would be so bad. Because the thing is, we've got iRacing on the big sim in there, but I don't.
I don't have a little barrier. I have like 3.5, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I would say that I'm quite a novice. You would lap me very quickly. But a lot of the guys, they used to like kind of do ex-esports drivers. I mean, I've got all like the F1 esports here, like run out the office. So we do like we run the Ferrari gaming program. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, we've got some custom cars in the Saturday course that are all branded up with our stuff, so we can use them.
Is that the rally car?
That is the rally car, yeah. So if you want to jump
Is that
in,
4 guys?
possibly. They were Quadrant were doing something with 4 guys. So if you want to jump in, we can adjust the seat for you.
Okay.
It's not iRacing because we've not got iRacing on these PCs.
I don't know what transforming racing. Well, you've got a vision class points resilience and activation, so before we could do some like Fortnite F1,
no, absolutely.
Go to Vegas.
Is it media source?
He went
and then
to
the camera that's coming
what's it
into
called
the
again?
PC.
Well, wheelbase shot at home kit.
And that's it. DV1, I think.
DV1.
I mean that. Like if you say Tottenham's better, he's gonna be after you.
When you're streaming, you've got the chat live.
Yeah.
And people are asking you questions about what your thoughts are maybe on the game you're playing or what's going on in F1 at the moment. How comfortable do you feel like replying to that while you're in the game?
That's quite easy.
Yeah? You'd be fine with that?
Yeah.
And do you play with mates when you're online?
Usually, I guess.
Yeah, so they could be in the chat as well and you guys have a bit of a laugh sort of thing. We're just trying to think, so if you're doing these live streams and you're gaming, I don't know if you watch like Max Future or any of that lot, but what they're quite good at is like constantly chatting, keeping people engaged, There's always something to like keep watching, because otherwise you're just watching someone play a game, right? So I think what we're trying to get at is how we're going to keep people wanting to stay on the stream, So just always chatting, having a laugh, being a bit rude, a bit cheeky, whatever floats your boat.
I love a bit of Forza.
We got AC.
No, we don't have Forza on this one. Chef's deleted it.
You got a karting license.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure
Have you done your odds?
yeah, I can't.
Oh, then yeah, you might. But then I think you need to have done. Have you got 6 signatures?
I have not a clue.
Have you done 6 races in a real car?
No, but I've done a lot of races in the car. do you need sound?
Well, it's weird because I've got your sound. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's got tails on it, so it must be a
You should, next time someone's got a racing, like, get going, that'll give you vertigo, motion sickness. You've been done, the Jack.
It's quite hard with that sound.
Yeah, yeah.
Once I completed a couple laps against their drivers, we spoke more about live streaming and when I could begin.
Breaking my race.
No, it's not a thing.
Okay.
Any questions, Kit?
No? What do you say, Silver?
You're very welcome. We're always here. For all of you.
I don't even know where to start.
Just try it out.
Smash it out.
See how it goes. Do maybe an hour and a half to start with on the first one. Produce some shorts from it. Collaborate with them on those.
So we're going live on the first one, so just go straight to live.
Yeah, absolutely.
You cool with that? Yeah? Sure you can do it?
Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you liked this sort of content, let me know in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next one.